All right, from Body Firm, I'm doing a separate video on this. So this actually comes in a two-piece set, but the body treatment itself is worth its own video, and I noticed that they sell them separately on Amazon. So in case you're not seeing the two-piece set, I wanted to make sure everyone is aware of how wonderful this is. So I have been using this for a while. I originally started in the original scent, but this is the citrus, and I wanted to do a video just to highlight how beautiful of a scent it is. So it is Montana right now. It is winter. We don't smell the flowers. We don't have any citrusy anything whatsoever in the atmosphere. So applying this at night is fantastic for me. I love it. Big thing about this cream is the richest, most emollient cream I have ever used. And with that said, I don't need to use much. So the way that I use this is after the shower, pat my skin dry. I don't dry it all the way, everyone. I leave it a little bit moist so that when I add this, I don't need much. So I maybe use a pinky nail, if that, and that covers the whole upper body, another pinky nail for the lower. And if my skin is a little bit moist going into it, I know that it will spread out very well and it will make this last forever. So this is 10 ounces. It absolutely lasts a long time. And here, and just so you can see on my skin, it tends to get very, very dry this time of year. So having this as a treatment overnight just makes my skin feel and look beautiful. So I especially love it in the wintertime when it's drier, but all year round it's wonderful. And again, this will last you a long time, especially if you apply it on somewhat damp skin, and you'll love the scent. So love this from Body Firm. This is the Crepe Race, and this is their body repair treatment. Ultra, it is definitely ultra. This stuff does not mess around, so absolutely love it.